Next up, we have negative exponents. Again, pay close attention. These are the ones I see the most mistakes with. So we're starting off with our power of a power rule. Again, I'm distributing that 2 to the 9 as well as the g. So we have 9 squared times g to the negative 4 times 2, or negative 8 power. Simplifying 9 squared, 9 times 9 is 81, and the g to the negative 8 power flips to the denominator, and that power becomes positive. Let's see how that works again. This time we're distributing a negative 4 to all of the terms. Really common mistake raising a number to a negative power is to multiply them together, just like we multiply our exponents. Remember, treat the coefficient like a regular plain old number. It is the base. It would be like the variable part of the exponent. J to the 8th, the 3 is like the j. It is not like the 8, the exponent. It is the base. So do not multiply a coefficient by an exponent. That is not how you evaluate. We do, however, multiply our exponents together. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32, and negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. So now what we do with those negative exponents is we flip them to the denominator. 3 to the negative 4 power flips to the denominator, and the exponent becomes positive. J to the negative 32 power flips to the denominator, and the exponent becomes positive. K to the 20th power, that exponent is positive, it stays in the numerator. Notice that each piece of this expression can be treated differently, so that k to the 20th does not have to move to the denominator just because everything else does. So now we're going to evaluate our 3 to the 4th power. Our k to the 20th and j to the 32nd power are simplified. 3 to the 4th power. The easy way to think about this one, I'm going to kind of do my work off to the right here, is thinking about it as 3 squared times 3 squared. I'm using the product rule backwards. 3 squared times 3 squared is 3 to the 4th because you can add those powers together. So this would be 3 squared is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Finally, let's look at our error analysis. Make sure you're catching the mistake as I'm working through this one. First, we have 5 to the negative 3 power. I'm distributing that exponent to everything inside the parentheses. Multiplying my powers together, I get a positive 3 and a negative 18. Next, I'm going to do 5 times negative 3 and get negative 15, j cubed, and my d to the negative 18th will move to the denominator, and the exponent becomes positive. Catch the mistake on that one, and we'll talk about it together.